So, today we'll talk about compound lifts. If you want to gain size and strength, then compound lifts are your best bet. And if you are training regularly, then you must be doing some of these compound exercises in your workout. But what's so great about them? And why do we need to be doing them? And which are the best compound lifts that will give you the desired results? So in this video, we are going to break down the core principles of compound lifts and go through the key factors through which we can build muscles. So what are compound exercises? Compound lifts are the strengthening exercises that will help you to incorporate more than one muscle group at the same time. They include exercises such as deadlifts and squats, and there are plenty of benefits to be had from doing them. So let's talk about some of the benefits of compound lifts. First, they are time efficient. As compound exercises works on several areas at once, hence they can save a lot of time. It's perfect for those who have a busy schedule or for those who want to squeeze more muscle groups in a single session. Second, they allow you to lift heavy. As you are relying on more than one muscle group, you can afford to load up the weight and go heavy. And this is exactly what you want if you want to get stronger, build muscles and progress. Third, they burn more calories. Doing bigger moves that engages more muscle groups while lifting heavier load are all the things that are contributing factors for burning calories. As you increase the weight load, you use more of the glycogen stored up in your muscles. Fourth, they increase your heart rate. If done right, strength-based workout can be just as good in getting your heart rate up as a cardio-based workout. The reason being, you are using several muscle groups at the same time, and furthermore, you are asking a lot out of them. So to keep your body topped up with enough energy to lift, your heart needs to pump harder. Learning the movement and allowing your muscles to learn as well will help you to focus and improve your coordination. Now that we know why compound movements are so important, we can start to look at which ones are going to help you to get the best results. Number 1. Squats. In terms of building muscle mass, squats are vital as they hit so many areas at once. Squats work on your quads, hamstring, lower back, core, hip flexors and glutes. Second, deadlifts. Deadlifts is one of the exercises that helps you to improve your core flexibility, core strength and improves your posture. Deadlift works on your hamstring, glutes, hip flexors, core and lower back. Third, the inclined bench press. Inclined bench press is a version of traditional bench press in which the bench is positioned at a 45-degree angle. Inclined bench press targets your upper chest muscle, delts and triceps. Fourth, clean and press. Clean and press are basically closed body deadlifts which is then followed with the shoulder press. The most difficult part of this exercise is the transition in the middle. Clean and press works on your hamstrings, quads, glutes, hip flexors, core, lower back, upper chest, delts, traps and triceps. And fifth, pull-ups. Pull-ups are the best way to target your back and it also helps to increase your functional fitness levels too. Pull-ups works on your lats, traps, delts, biceps and core. Compound exercises can do more harm than good if not done correctly. For example, if you are lifting too much weight with a poor technique, then that can lead you to acquire no benefits at all, and furthermore, it can cause you pain and injury. So whenever you perform a compound movement, make sure to do it under the guidance of a trainer. Other than compound exercises, isolation exercises are also important as they help to target a specific muscle that are overlooked in compound exercises. More about isolation exercises and its benefits in upcoming video. So, the takeaway of this video is compound exercises are an efficient and effective way to maximize your time in the gym. Try to mix up your routine every few weeks and add new compound exercises. The variety will help you to incorporate more muscle groups, preventing plateauing and boredom. Thank you for watching.